back to the channel, guys. We are here today. We have an excited moment because we'll be sharing something nice. Coach Mavi is here. She's gonna tell you what are we sharing today.
Hi guys, it's Coach Mavi here, and today we're going to be doing a pedicure video.
Yeah!
And we're going to be telling you guys, and since today is a Saturday, it's going to be relaxing. You know, today is like your time off. Today you can relax with us. We're going to be eating fruit as well while talking to you guys, so stay tuned for that. Okay, welcome back, guys. And we have a few products here, and this one is the Exfoliating Scrub, and we use it to soften our feet and remove the dead skins.
Yes, relaxing time.
And this one is the Cuticle Cream. It just helps soften your cuticles.
Yes.
This one is a salt scrub that we add into the water to make it smell nice and be more relaxed in the zone, you know. And this one is cuticle oil to soften your cuticles after putting the cream. So
yeah, guys, we're so excited. So we're gonna treat ourselves. We are having our mini spa for the weekend. Yes, we don't want to waste time. Let's put some salt there.
This is so exciting.
Is it?
Yeah, it's exciting for me.
and it smells
really yes, it smells very nice. You guys, if you ever have like a nice spa day, girls home, please let us know. You know, just if you are our usual subscriber, please don't forget to drop us a comment, tell us what you think about this process. You know, this is just a spa salt I'm sharing. Smell like pomegranate. It smells so nice, just to make you feel nice and relaxed. That's it. We'll be sharing all of us. So let's go. Our feet is already clean, so we're just ready to go and relax. After up and down all this week, so I need to sit back and relax. You know, if you don't have any spa food, so you can use like, you know, a bath like the girls are using here. So we are feeling nice and relaxing, and then so we can eat some pineapple. So we have some fruit here, so we'll be eating some. Just sitting down and relaxing. If you can put this video, please like, share, subscribe. You know, we like in a marvelous beauty world. We share nice content, juicy beauty tips, you know, all of that. And then don't forget to hit that notification button, you know, whenever we upload. You'll be the first one to know. Oh, we love you so much. Just as relaxing. And sit back and relax, you know. Yeah, you can have a spa experience at home yourself, you know. Sometimes if you don't have time to go to the spa room, just do it at home and relax, you know.
And it's free.
And the best thing is doing it at home, you don't have to pay.
You don't have something to pay. But you know, you can see your local therapist as well to do the deep one. And then so you can maintain at home until your next treatment, you know. Because when you're getting treatment from professional, it's just different from your self-work, you know. Like you can do this like maybe 2 times, you know, a week, once weekly when just end of the week, you know, Saturday or Sunday night, when you just finish all your hours work and then you sit and relax. Yeah, guys, we did use this exfoliating scrub just to scrub our feet, you know, to have some nice clean feet here. So we use this scrub. And then we use this cuticle cream, so just to put it around our cuticle area. So you see our cuticle area is nice and soft here. And then so we finally finish off with this nice lovely cuticle oil to put just around our cuticle. And then I'll just make the choice of my nail polish. I think I'll use red since it's summer, so I will just use red to polish my feet, you know. Yeah, it was so nice, you know. Just tell us, share with us if you ever done your spa day pedicure at home. But for us, that was all. We did relax with the girl. We have a nice relaxing time. So I will paint the nails and then I'll just take a nice picture. I'll put it out there for you. I hope you enjoy this treatment. So you know, if you have like something like this, you can use it like, you know, to scrub your feet, and then the dead skin. So you can use these things. It looks like a knife, so just like to remove all the dead skin. So make sure you remove everything, and then your feet feel nice and soft, feel like a baby feet. See, it looks nice and soft. Yeah, so I hope it was interesting. Love you so much. Thank you. We see you to our next video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. So the girls are here, they're gonna say bye bye. So
make sure to turn on the notification bell when you subscribe to be notified every time until like.
And Melissa, say something.
And don't forget to put a big thumbs up.
Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget we are set apart. You know, you are set apart. Don't be intimidated for people who talk. So you are set apart. So follow us, like us. We are on Facebook, Instagram. It's Marvelous Beauty World. So yeah, love you. Bye.
Set apart. Bye.
Set apart.